Okay? Mag-translate tayo ng mathematical phrases into mathematical notations. I-define muna natin kung ano yung variable. It is a symbol that is usually in a form of a letter that stands for a value that may vary. Yung mga letters sa alphabet na A, B, C, D hanggang Z, yun ang gagamitin as variable kasi representation man yan ng number kasi hindi man natin yan alam. Unknown man ang number. Kaya gagamit ng letter. Especially sa mga expressions. I-define din natin ang mathematical expression. When we combine numbers and variables in a valid way using operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponentiation, yun yung mga exponents, yung mga degree, and other operations and functions. As yet unlearned, the resulting combination of mathematical symbols is called a mathematical expression. Okay, let's start with the first problem or the first mathematical phrase. 8 less than the product of 5 and x. So, klaro na x yung ginagamit na variable. So, ito yung translation sa mathematical notation. So, ibig sabihin, 5x minus 8. Bakit minus 8 or negative 8 yan? Kasi, klaro man yung nasa description, nasa phrase na 8 less than. Ibig sabihin, less man si 8. So, negative siya. Unless more than. So, 8 less than the product of 5 and x. So, 5x minus 8. I-remember lang natin, every time maglagay tayo ng expression, dapat in a descending order. Dapat yung mga constant, katulad ng numbers, pinaka-last dapat yun, nasa last part ng expression, nasa right part. And then, yung sa first, depende na yun kung anong exponent ang naka-indicate. Doon na din mag-vary. Yung 5x, 1 man yung exponent. But since in numerical coefficient, may number man tapos may variable, siya dapat ang una. Hindi pwedeng negative 8 plus 5x. Dapat descending order tayo. Pinaka-last yung constant. Second, the sum of 9 and twice a number. So, pwede tayong gagamit ng any letter. So, ito yung sagot. 9 plus 2x. Katulad ng sinabi ko, dapat in descending order. Dapat yung 2x una bago ang 9. Pero tama man siya yung sagot na 9 plus 2x. Pero i-arrange lang natin ng in descending order. Dapat nauna yung 2x plus 9. Dapat yung constant yung pinaka-last or nasa right. Pero tama din yan kahit ginanyan mo lang. Number 3, the quotient of m and 11. So, involve ang division. Just simply divide m by 11. Ganun lang kasimple. Sa number 4, 3 less than the total of a number and 1. I-remember lang natin yung mga key words. Yung total, yung increase, sum, mga plus yun. So, clear? 3 less than. So, less na naman si 3. So, negative 3 na yan. Total of a number and 1. So, hindi man natin alam kung anong number. So, ikaw nang bahalang pipili kung anong letter ang gagamitin kasi unknown man. Pwede A, pwede B, pwede C, and 1. So, ipagsum yung a number and 1. And then, 3 less. So, ito yon. Gumamit tayo ng n plus 1. Tapos, minus 3. Huwag lang kalimutang lagyan ng close and open parenthesis kasi indicator yan na dapat ang n at 1 ay ipagsama. Number 5, 4 times the difference of x and 6. So, ipag-minus muna natin yung x and 6, tapos 4 times. So, since magkasama si x minus 6, lagyan ng close and open parenthesis, tapos lagyan ng 4, kasi 4 times man daw. Okay. Number 6. 7 more than k. O simple. Ang hint doon, no? May key word is more than, meaning plus. Pwede siya, hindi na pwedeng pumili ng letter kasi naka-indicate naman dyan na letter K. Pag pinalitan mo ng M yan, or Z, or A, ay wrong na yon. Kasi may K naman na nakalagay. So, ibig sabihin, the answer is A plus 7. Pwede rin 7 plus K. Katulad yung ginawa ko kanina kasi wala man tayong violation, kaya lang, i-arrange lang natin in descending order. Medyo malaki man yung value, dapat pag variable talaga ang uuna bago yung constant. Remember, pag expression, pinaka-last yung constant, nasa right. Number 7. 2 more than 6 times a number. 2 plus 6G. Okay, gumamit tayo ng letter G. Kasi a number man yan, no? So, tayo na ang bahala kung anong letter ang gagamitin. So, ano yan? Tama yan, kaya lang, i-follow yung arrangement. Dapat 6G plus 2. Pero kung sagot mo 2 plus 6G, tama pa rin. Wala mang violation. Number 8, subtract x from y. So, ibig sabihin, si x daw, isubtract mo yan kay y. Ibig sabihin, si y yung dapat mamainusan ng x. Si y dapat ang mamainusan ni x. Kasi from man yung keyword there. From. Okay, next. 9 less than half of x. Paano ba i-half si x? Just simply put over 2. Hahatiin lang man natin si x. So, 1 half x minus 9. Kasi 9 less than. Negative 9 na naman yan. 1 half of x or x over 2, magkaparehas lang sila. Number 10. 1/3 of the difference between x and 10. Simple. Difference between x and 10, ilagay mo yan sa close and open parenthesis between c and 10. Then, lagyan ng one-third. May I read again? One-third of the difference between C and 10, ilagay sa close and open parenthesis. And then, yung one-third kasi is a factor. Pwede siya factor, pwede din siya over 3. Next, twice the sum of a number and 5. Ibig sabihin, yung certain number daw and 5, so number plus 5, i-twice mo siya. Ganito yung representation. E plus 5, o 2, then i-multiply kay E and E plus 5. Number 12, the sum of 5 and cube of K. Ibig sabihin, yung exponent ng K is 3 kasi cube man, plus 5. Pwede rin, i-repeat ko lang yung reminder ko na kapag nagbaliktad yan, 5 plus K cube, tama din naman. Pero mas maganda if i-arrange in descending order. Ibig sabihin, yung may variable, may malaking exponent, yun yung uunahin. Next, number 13, the product of the sum of x and y and the difference of x and y. So, ganito lang kasimple. Si x plus y, ipag-times mo lang kay x minus y. Oh. Dapat lagyan talaga ng close and open parenthesis kasi indicator man yan na multiplication yung nasa description. Kasi pag walang close and open parenthesis yan, hindi siya tama. Hindi siya tatama. Kasi hindi man natin makikita kung ano yung manifestation na product talaga ang nakalagay. So, dapat close and open parenthesis. Hindi din pwedeng X. Hindi applicable yung letter X pag mag-multiply sa algebra. Kasi nalilito yung variable na X at yung symbol ng times sign. Kaya hindi yan acceptable. Usually, gagamit tayo ng close and open parenthesis. Next, 13 more than 15 times the number P. Okay, wag natin gagamit ng ibang variable kasi may P naman na nakalagay dyan. So, simpleng-simple, 13, ito yung sagot. Okay, 15P plus 13. Or 13 plus 15P. Pero yan ang tama na arrangement, descending order. May numerical coefficient and then constant. Number 15, the product of x and the difference of y and z. Okay. Product daw ang involved dyan. And difference. Paano kaya? Ibig sabihin, ipag-minus mo yung y minus z, then close and open parenthesis, saka lagyan ng letter x. Kasi according sa description, the product of x and the difference of y and z. Close and open parenthesis. Do not forget ang symbol para walang violation. Okay, number 16. The difference between 2 and a number divided by 9. So, minus yung involved. 2 and a number. divided by 9. Ibig sabihin, to end a number, close and open parenthesis yan. Huwag ipaghiwalay. Saka ka mag-divide by 9. Now, number 17, thrice the difference between 2 times h and 5. So, ganun lang kasimple. I-3 times daw nimo ang 2h plus 5. Minus 5 kasi difference man tayo. Unless sum, mag-plus tayo, pero difference man ang nakalagay, kaya minus. 2h, okay, 3 times the difference between 2 times h and 5. Remember, hindi nagagamit ng ibang variable kasi naka-indicate naman dyan ng h. Kung nilagay mo dyan x, wrong na kasi. Hindi man naka-follow dyan sa letter na naka-indicate. Number 18, subtract 1 from the ratio of u and v. Okay, other term for quotient, division, ratio. Ano sila? Understandable na it involves division already. Ratio. Meaning, subtract si 1 from the ratio of u and v. Ganito yung notation niya. O, u over v minus 1. Remember yung keyword, from. So, ibig sabihin, pinakauna yung u over v, saka mag-minus 1. Number 10, twice x added to 3. Okay. Ganito lang kasimple. Yung x daw, i-2 times natin. Hindi din pwedeng 2 times times. 2 times x na, nag-2xx. Just like what I said, yung x na symbol ng multiplication is no longer acceptable sa algebra para ma-avoid yung confusion. Kasi si x na variable at si x na multiplication, pag ipagtabi mo yan, hindi na maintindihan, baka marami ng mga misinterpretation na mangyayari. May mga violation na mangyayari. Kaya dapat 2x plus 3. Last number, the quotient of m plus 2 and 5. Okay. Ang m plus 2 daw, over 5. Quotient ng m plus 2, huwag ipaghiwalay si m plus 2, magkasama sila, tapos i-divide ng 5. Okay. We're talking about division, kasi quotient man. I hope naintindihan yung explanation ko. Maraming salamat.